Lancashire's ecosystem. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Lancashire for you. What kind of person does that in the countryside? This is what I can't understand about human beings. So I'm down this lane opposite this house. Luckily they've got the blue bin out, so I'm going to take this shit out of this hedgerow. Fuck, because the animals don't need this. Go on then. It's in there, Ben. Right, come here. Look out. Thank you, Roma. There's a lot more down there. I can't pick it all up, can I? Look at it. The people come down here all the time, bringing the dogs down, going into the nature reserve here. And they'll come along and they'll just drop the crap everywhere. Having said that, it could be out of the recycling from Elders down there. But whatever it is, you know, it needs keeping tidy, doesn't it? Endless. Absolutely endless. So many trees have fallen this year. It's my first winter walking around here. Come on. Come on. Always let the dogs go first. Then, if you're going to fall, at least they're in front to pull you up. My motto anyway. There's the big tree what I photographed in the snow. Callie, this way. Come on, leave the rabbits. Good girl. Callie's going down the rabbit hole. Come on. Look at that beauty, it's fallen over in the high winds this winter. If it was this winter, it's gone over. Might not have been this winter, it might have been a few winters ago. It looks like it this winter. Look at that. Looks like the river's getting wider, but it's so blocked. That river should be flowing damn sight better than that. Needs a good dredging. Just stagnant in places where the trees have just reclaimed the river. It's a little ecosystem there, absolutely beautiful.